Good day. My name is Dr. Arun and I'm with ALPS Medical Center. Today, I'm going to explain to you on what our immune system does in relation with COVID-19 and what we can do in order to optimize our immune system. I'm going to explain to you briefly on how is the process and also some science behind on what our immune system does. The immune system is one of the most complex systems in the body. Blindly boosting it is not possible without stimulation of the stem cells. Depending on what the disease is and where we are in the disease process, what we want to do is to optimize it. The thymus gland is a small organ behind the breastbone that plays an important function both in immune system and endocrine system. There are two subsets of immune system, the innate immune system and the adaptive immune system. Each organ has a unique population of resident immune cells and systematically circulating immune cells. Immune cells communicate using cytokines, small cell signaling proteins involved in autocrine, paracrine, and endocrine communications. There are 33 cytokines produced by a range of cell types responsible for the immune response and inflammation. Let's take an example in COVID-19 in simple explanation. There are two immune responses. The first phase of the immune response is protective, where specific cells try to clear the virus. This is when we should optimize our immune system. The second phase of the immune response, where only some people experience, is an exaggerated destructive response where overstimulation of specific cells causes excessive inflammation, leading to more damage than the virus itself. During this phase, we want to suppress the immune system. That's why it's best to optimize than boost our immune system. In a nutshell, what we want to do is improve some part of the immune system and suppress the other parts of the immune system. Allow me to break it down for you about the CD4 and the balance between Th1 and Th2 cells and the CD8 and the science behind it. One of the immune cell types, the T lymphocytes, produces cytokines, recognizes foreign pathogens, and recognizes normal tissues. There are subsets of T cells based on the surface molecules of function, which is the CD4 and CD8. CD4 cells further divides into Th1 and Th2 based on cytokines they produce. Th1 cells produce a pro-inflammatory response, responding to infection producing interferon gamma and GM-CSF. If left unregulated, Th1 cells recruits monocytes that produce interleukin-6 to that area, and together they coordinate inflammatory cascade that destroys everything. The regulator of Th1 cells are your Th2 cells, which produce interleukin 4, 5, 3, and 10. And 10 is an anti-inflammatory that counteracts the excessive Th1-induced inflammation. CD8 are your cytotoxic T cells. The word cytotoxic means to kill. These cells are responsible for directly killing the infected cells. Optimally, there should be a balance between the Th1 and the Th2 regulatory cell in an immune response, and the ratio between the CD4 and the CD8 cells should be greater than 2, and your CD4 cells should be greater than 500 in a normal healthy individuals. In summary, there is a fine balance in the immune system. One of the branches of the immune system has pro-inflammatory branch and an anti-inflammatory path. In COVID-19 positive patients, research shows that there are more pro-inflammatory cells present. There are few ways we can optimize our immune system and shift from pro to anti-inflammatory. For example, curcumin has shown to possess potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties both in vitro and in vivo. Curcumin is a lipophilic compound which makes it an efficient scavenger of free radicals. Another possible source are berries. Berries are a great source of antioxidants such as anthocyanins, allergic acid, and resveratrols. Studies suggest that these antioxidants in berries may help lower inflammatory markers. Another way of treating are infusional therapies. Infusional therapies can help assist your body and strengthen your immune system by providing the compound it needs. With the right ingredients in the right concentration, you are able to optimize your immune system and providing tissue regenerations, anti-inflammatory and anti-apoptotic properties. Once again, thank you for listening to me, and I hope together we can optimize our immune system. Stay safe.